What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today we are going back to BMW again. I am up early again. It is 8:51 a.m. It is too early for this shit, but I'm up, and hopefully Valley BMW has their shit together and we can get this thing done and everything will be taken care of and we don't have any other issues after it's done. Like it's been sitting so long. This is something that's supposed to have been fixed since I bought the car. Like, that's how long we've been waiting for these parts. Now, CarMax already agreed to pay for the entire repair, everything that it needed. They're taking care of it. Hopefully that doesn't become an issue. You know, it's been a few months, but let's get into it and see what happens. Traffic ain't too crazy out here this morning. It's actually pretty decent. You know, I'm not usually up this early, man. I'm gonna be honest with you. I just don't do that, man. I'm up too late editing and doing other stuff that, you know, I don't usually get my day started till, I mean, some days I get up early. It depends on what I got going on, but for the most part, no, man, not at all. And driving into Fayetteville is always a joy. Like, this road's not as bad, but once you get out towards Skybow or Cliffdale, hell no, man. No. Then you really got to be on your P's and Q's because people cannot drive out here. So, all right, we'll get back in here when we get up here to the dealer. All right, guys, and with the magic of YouTube, the car is now complete. We have the estimate or the document of how much this thing costs to get this done here. Let me show you guys that. So look at that. The labor was more than the parts. The parts are 136 bucks. The labor was 480. Damn. But this is also why I love CarMax and the purchase experience that I've had so far with this is because this thing is absolutely ridiculous. I mean, think about that. A $600 charge, and CarMax is like, I've had this car for almost 3 months now, and they still are agreeing to what they said when I bought the car, that they were going to make it right before I got it. So we got brand new brakes all the way around, fresh tires. They fixed all the undercarriage panels and stuff, brand new front bumper and clip. You really can't beat it. I'm ecstatic. And shout out to Valley BMW for making it right today. Like, when I got there, like, the other advisor I was dealing with the other day was like, yeah, man, I didn't know what the situation was. My bad. You know, I talked to Chad and whatever. We got you straight. There was no questions, man. They just, boop, they put me in, got me done, all that good stuff, and got me out of there. Like, I was there maybe an hour. So you can't beat it, man. So made a shout out to them. Thanks to the Valley BMW. I was in a crabby ass mood. Like, getting me up early in the morning to do anything, bad. And if something doesn't go right, oh, it's gonna be bad. Right? But anywho's, there you guys have it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Next, I'm actually on my way home. I'm gonna peel the tint off of these windows that's crap, so that I don't have to pay somebody to peel it off, because like getting good tint on this car is like 200 bucks. But if I have to have somebody remove the tint off of this car first, it's like outrageously expensive, like another 200 bucks. I'm not doing that. So we're gonna get the tint off of our damn selves and go from there. But anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. The car is right now brand new undercarriage parts. I am happy as hell. Now the car is where it needs to be, minus this other coolant thing, which we'll talk about soon. Ugh. Anyway, thank you guys very much for watching. I truly appreciate it. I will catch you guys on the next one.